So it's windy here. I don't want to make this video too long, but look at the drone. We have this thing here. I want to try to show you how the video quality is compared to the DJI, okay? Now, let me prepare my phone. Here, so DJI Fly, just another app, not the Mimo, the DJI Fly app. This one here, and then you can connect here to this. So we are outside. I don't know how to connect. Connection guide. What does this mean? Here, Neo guide. Connect via device. Do you have to push the button then, or what? Here, connect. So it talks about connecting and join network and stuff like this. Here. And so it takes what it takes. Connection successful. Got it.
Point the camera at your face and
oh no, so skip this. It's showing me how to do it. Stop talking. Skip tutorial. Oh, yeah. So now in here I can go to manual mode, manual control. And when I do that, you see the camera there. And then I can just click on record. And now it's recording. So the camera is now recording here. And if I put my action here, so then we can see how this would look like. So if this would fly here, and it doesn't fly, so a quick remark to the FAA, we are not flying, right? So you don't hear a noise, the propellers are not turning, so we are not in flight mode. So therefore, I can show this on my monetized channel. I'm sure, because I'm not flying this drone. I am recording with the camera of the drone, and stability may vary, of course, of the picture when this thing is in flight, right? That's a different story, and you would have to have a channel that is not monetized, and there can also not be no intent to fly. Like, so this is so weird with those rules. So if you go and fly because you think you want to post this on your channel, even if it's not monetized, then you're already in violation of this law. So you need to fly for fun first, and if that turned out great and you want to share that with your friends on your channel, then do that. So here we have some colors. I don't know, the gimbal will probably keep it steady. This is so my first walk with it. I'm not sure what you can do in flight with the camera, but so for the sake of image quality here, you know, it's going to be great, right? I have to go back to my phone. Yeah, I have my phone here on my table. So here on my phone, there it is. Here, and I have to stop the recording on here. So that recording stopped. And if I want to fly it, I would have to do this from here. If I say manual control and click the takeoff button, it may hit my gazebo here, so I can't do that. I have to do this somewhere else. You know? Let's see. I'm sure I can videotape. So if somebody else, let's think of this. If someone is flying this for fun back there, I can sit here and videotape that. You know? As long as I am not flying. Now the thing is, if it flies on its own, then what? I don't know. We have to figure that out later. This was just a first comparison between the Pocket and the Neo, what the image quality is. So, if you want to know how loud it is or how stable it flies, that's how it does. So this is how stable it is. Let's go up a little more. You have to fly it away. Like that. I don't know how far it goes. What happens when it loses contact? I think it stays. Whoa. But yeah, it's a toy, right? Look how stable it is. Oh. Isn't that amazing? And it lands when you hold the hand out. That's pretty amazing. I don't know how to make it start again. That's a different story, but so far I am impressed.